today's project. I believe I want to paint this gold. This has to be gold. I want that gold, that whole top. So, see a clip right here. Nothing really going on right here. See a Phillip right there. So that makes one. Keep going, keep going. Lift these up a little bit. I see two. Lift these up here, the window wipers. I see another one, two. That's that one that I see over there. So that's three. And I gotta figure out how to take these off. So we're gonna unput these. So I had to close the hood because I had one screw that seemed impossible to get to. So far we have 3 screws, I see. 1, 2, and 3. Last screw is right here. Right here. So I gotta get to that. How? I'll come back to you. Guys, so I finally got the screw out. Finally got it out. It's out. So there was 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 little very small screws. Now, the next one is this. Need a flathead to take this part out. It comes out. Boop. Take it out for you. And also is this side as well. There's supposed to be a bolt right here. Let's go back to the handy dandy. Let's figure out which one is for it. Alright, so got a couple of tools here. Got a 10, a couple of other handy. Now let's see what's going on here. Is it a 10? Nope, it's not a 10. 12? Nope, not a 12. Alright, so it is a 14. So we're gonna go lefty loosey. There it is. Yeah, so I hear these are little fancy stuff. Little fancy washers, like they move on the inside. Little fancy stuff, so you don't really want to lose that. So put that with the rest of the bolts in that pocket. Now I believe this just comes out. Yeah, drop this hood maybe. Let's do that. Right, hood is dropped. Now I'm supposed to I'm gonna do the first one so you have the basic concept of what to do on the second one, which I believe is don't want to lose that top piece because you'll be driving around like this, looking all busted. So, pick this up. Now let's see if we can get this off. Am I doing something wrong here? Supposedly this is just a wibbly wobbly situation. We're gonna wibbly wobbly, yeah. Don't wanna Oh, there you go. A little loosey. Got a little loose now when I did this. I may want to do a little buzz just to get a little rubber action on that cog twins. Want a little strength action going on. A little in the mix. There you go. It's one down. On to the next. So the last one took me a little second because it's not like the first one where you had to pull up the other side with the wrench, right? This one you have to actually push down. So this piece right here is kind of like when it's regular, it's like hugged. So this, you have like, see this little gap right here, but the other side is tight as if it was on my finger. So it's like when you push it, like, so don't lift it up. Don't lift it up. What you gotta do is push it down. So like you gotta release that grip that it has. So once you push it down, it kind of goes into the middle. You see what I'm saying? It kind of goes into the middle, and then you could lift it up. So it's like, it kind of is like right here. See that gap right there? It's like, I can't get it out. So push it down, it releases itself, and it comes up. So don't lift it up. So I would say leave the hood open for this, because you would have to open the hood anyway to use your 14 millimeter to your 14 socket to go in there. All right, so here it is. Ending result. That's it right here. And I was gonna go gold, but maybe. See what happens. We'll see how I feel in like the next 5 minutes.